Hi, I'm Harvey Bolig, President and founder of Rosehill Woodcrafters. Started in 1993. Started by myself in an old church building. Grown since then, built on some new shops, and we have a second location in Winnipeg for 11 years now. And we do a lot of work in lots of provinces and territories. However, we are a Manitoba-made company, and we're very proud to call Manitoba home.
A couple of things you should know about Rosehill. We are CKCA certified. Essentially, that means our cabinets have passed an intense torture test. Not many people can do that. The other thing I'd like to talk about is just the size of our company. We have a lot of the benefits of a larger company, the technology, the machinery that's needed, but we also have the flexibility of a small company where we can really focus on customizing and specific details of things. It doesn't have to be mass produced. Those would be the two of the main points I'd like to convey.
Rosehill Woodcrafters has 2 locations to serve you. Our first is in McGregor, Manitoba, and that is where our head office, production facility, and our first showroom is. Our second location is in Winnipeg, located at 1504 St. Mary's Road.
We build fully custom cabinetry with a high standard of construction, so anywhere you'd like to put cabinets, we can fit the space. Anywhere from bathrooms, closets, bars, entertainment units, that weird alcove that's under your stairs, you name it.
We're trying our best, but we still are, Rosehill's still trying to honor the 6 to 10 week mark. There are some things that will be back ordered because of the situation we're in, but yeah, we'd love to have you.
Hey, so we use a variety of high quality materials. Our cabinet boxes are made using a commercial grade melamine or plywood. And then for doors, there's lots of options. So we work with a bunch of different woods. You can get walnut, teak, oak, maple, hickory, alder, cherry. The sky's the limit, pretty much. We can do both painted and stained finishes. There's also wood look melamines, there's acrylic, there's thermofoil. So that can obviously get pretty overwhelming. I find that the best place to start is with a style or an inspiration photo and go from there.
Yes, we offer contracted services. We do everything from just taking out the old kitchen to full-blown renovations with electrical flooring, painting, removing walls, etc., etc. We only work with tradespeople that we trust, and you're sure to get top-notch service and quality, and all coordinated by us.
Yes, absolutely we do. We have a variety of countertop materials to choose from, and we'd be more than happy to help you choose something to complement your existing cabinetry.
Our main focus is on new cabinetry construction, but we do refacing as well. You give us a call, we can see if it's a fit and give you a quote on doing that.
We also offer interior design consulting services. This goes above and beyond what you get with a regular kitchen design. It can be really helpful if you're trying to achieve a particular style and can make your kitchen more cohesive with the rest of your house. We can offer personal shopping as well as more of like a package where we pick out backsplash tile, faucet, hardware, lighting, kitchen accessories, and also color consulting.
So there's a couple of ways that you can get a quote from Rosehill Woodcrafters. The first is that you can either walk in or call one of our showrooms directly, or you can reach out to us through our website on the Get a Quote tab, and there's a little form you can fill out there, and we'll get you in touch with one of our sales consultants, and they'll be in touch with you within 2 business days.